Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to quickly show you how to build a banking website. It's not something hard, and there's no need for you to code for you to build this kind of website. Without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Firstly, I'll be showing you what the website looks like, so then we go into how to build this kind of website. If you need this script for this video, kindly send a DM on Telegram or WhatsApp so you get the script. All right, let's get started. So right here we have the admin login. I've logged into the admin already, so let's go over and log into the user dashboard. So for us to do that, you click on e-banking. So let's enter our email address and our password for us to sign in to the user dashboard. As you can see, this is the user dashboard. So let me quickly show you what it looks like. So guys, let me quickly show you how to build this kind of website. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. You must have gotten your domain and hosting. I recommend HostGrid for your domain and hosting purchase. Go over to their website, check out their plans and choose your preferred plan. Okay, let's go back to our cPanel. So after you've gotten your domain and hosting, you'll be given a cPanel login. So when you log into your cPanel, you go to File Manager. From your File Manager, you go to public_HTML. So you click on Upload. Let's upload the script. If you need the script, I'll leave my contact in the description of this video. So you send me a DM for you to get the script. So let's select the file. So this is our file right here. Click on open. So you wait for this bar right here to turn green before we can proceed. Okay, while that is uploading, let's go over to our cPanel home. Let's create a database to connect our script. Right here in your cPanel, you go to database section, you click on database wizard. So let's create a database name. Let me enter the name I want to use. So you click on next step. So let me enter the same name right here. Then you enter your password. So you click on create user. So you have successfully created the database name. Okay, so right here we have to accept all privileges. So you click on make changes. As you can see, we've successfully created our database name. So let's go back to our script. Let's check if it has downloaded. So now it has downloaded. So let's click on go back home. So let's right click on it, click on extract files. So you click on close. So when you open up the folder, you go to settings, you make sure show hidden files is on, and you click on save. And you click on save, so you go to select all and you click on move. So we are going to remove this credence, so we have to put everything into public_HTML. So you click on move files. Okay, click on up one level. Now we have everything right here. So now we are going to click on our .env file. We are going to edit our .env file. So you right click on it, you click on edit. So this is where we are going to connect our database information. So we have to edit this database information, the password, username, and the database. So let's go and copy the database name we created a while ago. So for our app URL, let's enter our app URL. So you can as well get our app URL from our cPanel home. As you can see, this is mine right here. So let me just copy that. So I'm going to replace it with it. So after we've done that, you click on save changes. As you can see, success. Right now, let's go over to our cPanel. Let's go and download our SQL file. This is our SQL file. Let's open it. So you right click on it, you click on download. As you can see, it has downloaded. So let's go over to our cPanel. You go to phpMyAdmin. You click on phpMyAdmin. So now let's click on our database name we created. As you can see, so from here you click on import. Let's import our SQL file we just downloaded. So you click on choose file. So you click on it, you click on open. All right, so you scroll down, you click on import. As you can see, import has been successfully finished. Right here you click on admins. So we are going to set up the admin username, the admin password. So let's click on edit. Right here we are going to enter our password. As you can see, we have the admin@mail.com. So let's enter our password. You click on this drop down, you scroll down, you click on password hash. So you scroll down and you click on go. Now let's go over to our cPanel home. So let's load our website. Let's open our website. So as you can see, this is our website here up and running. This is looking beautiful. Let me scroll down for you to check it out. Our banking website. And if you want the script, send me a DM on WhatsApp or Telegram so you get the script. To log into the admin, we'll go over to our cPanel. To go over to our cPanel, we have our installation guide. So if you right click on the installation guide, you click on view. So we have admin login details in our installation guide, as you can see. So let's copy this and go over to our website and add it so we can log into our admin. / then paste it. So here we have our admin login page, as you can see. I click on settings. I'll click on app settings. Right here we have the app settings. You can set up the website information, as you can see. Let's scroll down. We have the website title, website keyword, and our website URL. We enter the WhatsApp number, as you can see. Turn on or off SMS. Then, as you can see right here, so for this website URL, so let me enter my own website URL. And after you fill up everything right here, you click on update. As you can see, success, settings saved successfully. So right here we have our preferences. So you enter your email address. For you to create your email address, let's go over to our cPanel. So you click on email account. So you click on create. So you enter your username. So after you've entered your username and password, you click on create. Let's click on connect device. So as you can see, we have the information of this email account right here. So let's copy this. So we'll go over to our website and paste it on our contact email. So this is our website currency. Then for our KYC verification, you can turn it on or turn it off. As you can see, our email verification is enabled. Let me disable it. So for our cryptocurrency, we have the on and off also. So you click on save. After you've done that, as you can see, settings saved successfully. So right here you enter your website name, your SMTP port, you leave it at 465. So and for our SMTP encryption, you leave it at SSL. So we have the Google login credentials. So after you fill up those parts, you click on save. So guys, if you need this script, I'll leave my contacts in the description of this video. You send me a DM so you can get the script. So if you love this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss the next video.